Welcome to 30 Irongate Drive. We're going to do a quick walkthrough. Follow me. Stamped concrete steps. Enter into the grand foyer. Off to the right, there is an office with French doors and built-in cabinets. Custom hardwood floors that were hand milled. The trees were from Norwich, Ontario. Off to the right here, there is a main floor laundry room and a two-piece powder. Formal dining room. And a great kitchen for entertaining, complete with granite countertops. And patio doors leading to the backyard. Family room with custom built-in cabinetry, gas fireplace, and window seating. Out here is a two-car garage, and then we'll go down to the basement. Large open space, has built-in speakers. Three-piece bath. And a room the current owners are using as a fourth bedroom. And the staircase leading to the second floor. Nice big landing area at the top of the stairs. Plus two good-sized bedrooms. And a four-piece bath. Large master with walk-in closet with custom cabinetry and an updated master ensuite. That's it.